The MEA spokesperson has said that India has called upon Bangladesh interim government to expedite the deportation of their citizens who are illegally staying in India. The Chief Minister of Assam has said that if Bangladesh attacks our chicken's neck, we will attack both its chickens' necks.
গতিকে আমাৰ এটা চিকেন নেকক বাংলাদেশে হামলা দিলে আমিতো দুটা চিকেন নেকক হামলা দিম।
The airspace over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been closed for 23rd and 24th May, and the timing, location and scale of the airspace closure indicates a major missile trial, possibly hypersonic missile. India has cancelled a contract with a Turkish company involved in BRTS bus rapid transit system, which is a sister company of the Turkish firm which manufactured armed drones used by Pakistani military against India. The Pakistani military spokesperson was recorded delivering violence-encouraging speeches against India at a university in Pakistan.
तुम हमारा पानी बंद कर दोगे, हम तुम्हारा सांस बंद कर देंगे।
Indian External Affairs Minister has firmly reiterated that the PAK rightfully belongs to India and that the territories under illegal occupation should be returned to their rightful owner. In a major blow to Pakistan, Indonesia and Egypt and Bahrain have stalled Pakistan's efforts to have a strong reference against India at a meeting of Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has successfully completed sea acceptance firing trials of the Indigenous 30mm Naval Surface Gun. Garden Reach Shipbuilders will deliver the second Nilgiri-class frigate to the Indian Navy in July 2025. The Tejas Mark I fighter jets will go for overhaul in 2026 and will be upgraded to Mark Ia standards in a phased manner. The Indian Ministry of Defence is all set to greenlight the bulk procurement of the smart anti-airfield weapon, and that one Su-30 aircraft will carry 32 SAAW units using an indigenous smart quadrack system. Reliance Defence has signed an agreement with German arms manufacturer Rheinmetall Group for the supply of explosives and propellants for medium and large caliber ammunition to Rheinmetall Group. The managing director of Data Patterns has said that indigenous Brahmos missile seeker developed by the company were flight tested 3 weeks ago as part of missile trials, and it will soon replace the Russian seeker. Indian Army issued a request for information for the procurement of nano drones that must have an operational range of 2 kilometers and an endurance of 30 minutes. The Brahmos-NG missile will conduct its first test in the next 1 year, and it will be integrated on Su-30 MiG-29 Mirage 2000 and Tejas Mark Ia aircraft that will provide unparalleled flexibility and firepower. Experts have said that the increasing frequency of Pakistani drone incursions underscores the urgent need for India to develop or acquire a C-RAM counter-rocket artillery and mortar-type system. A senior Indian Air Force official has categorically refuted claims made by Pakistan Air Force regarding an alleged voice transcript of an Indian Rafale pilot with call sign Godzilla, which Pakistan claimed as evidence of downing an Indian Rafale aircraft. The official also said that these claims are baseless and lack technical credibility, and he emphasized that Rafale's communication systems are equipped with highly secured encrypted software-defined radio technology, which ensures robust protection against interception and jamming. After signing a 270 crore rupees deal for developing a 6-megawatt medium-speed marine engine for the Indian Navy, Kirloskar Royal Engines Limited has confidently asserted its capability to develop a 10-megawatt marine engine. Today's top 3 comments.